how to say correctly sounds th and the in English. In order for you to be able to pronounce these sounds, you have to be able to pronounce sounds z and s. And this is how it works. Repeat after me. Say z, like after a letter Z, right? Z. Z. Good. Now, all you do is relax your tongue, place it between your teeth and lips, relax the jaw muscles, especially right here, okay? Relax your jaw. This is the position you're supposed to be in. I know, I mean, I'm making it funny, right? But that's how it works. So, stick your tongue out not too far between, place your tongue between your teeth and lips and relax. And say zzz in that way, in that fashion. Again, without the tongue. Zzz. Stick the tongue out. Zzz. Zzz. It's exactly the same sound. One is without the tongue. The other one is with the tongue out, in between your lips and teeth. All right, now let's move on to the sound. You guessed it right. It is the sound S with the tongue out. S. So once again, Z, tongue out. Z, S, tongue out. That's it.